Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the new area inside the Heartfelt Island. That is called the Heartfelt Cave. So if you see the logs update in the Valentine's part 2, there is a new area called Valentine's Cove, and in here I'm going to show you the exact path from the main area in here. So if you already inside Heartfelt Island, you can just go inside here, and once you see this, you can just go left, and you also see the sign cave this way. You can just go this way right here, and then just go follow this path. There's also destination cave. Okay, go left now, and you'll see another sign cave. Now you can just turn right here, and you'll arrive in the Heartfelt Cave. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.